Hey everyone, how's it going? We have a 2020 Mazda CX5 in this gorgeous blue color. It's similar to the Mazda CX5 I used to personally own. So you have to let me know what your favorite color is, but blue is my favorite color, so I'm excited to work on this blue metallic color. It's gonna need a two-step paint correction. We're doing some decontamination, some clay bar. We're gonna get it all cleaned up. We're gonna do a two-step paint correction to get rid of previous car wash swirls as this was purchased used. And then we're gonna ceramic coat the whole thing, including the windshield and the wheels.